Hey guys, welcome to the Murray Experience. So you know, from being under the lights and doing all of this taping and changing my makeup sometimes 2 and 3 times a day, my skin has taken a brutal beating. And like right now, you figure right now it's 4 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock. I have had makeup on since 6 o'clock this morning, reapplied twice. So at this point, my skin is shot out. There ain't no other way to say it. So now I decided to go and invest into a skincare line. So I came across this skincare line called 𝗟𝗠skincare. Excuse the box because it had like my address and everything on it, but 𝗟𝗠skincare, loved the box, thought it was super cute. So I'm pretty much just going to tell you what my skincare regimen is, and hopefully it does what I needed to do for my skin. So here we go. So here's the first thing in my box. So it looks like a thank you card. So here is a card just based off of the items that I was able to pick. I love all of the brown faces on here. So I ended up getting a cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, and then I got like a serum for my eyes, one for the AM, one for the PM. In total for everything in my box, I ended up spending, after shipping and everything, it was only 130 bucks. So again, here it looks like it's a sticker. It's beautiful. Some beautiful faces. Here is the inside of my box. Love the packing. Here's my toner. Nice amount. Is completely filled to the top. I have, it's called Awakening. It's a milk and honey cleanser. I have a brightening serum for oily skin. I got a daily moisturizer. It says your best face forward all day long, every day. And then I have a brightening eye cream. So I'm actually going to take all of this makeup off, and then I'm going to actually wash my face with the cleanser. So see you back here in a minute. So I used all 5 of my items from the 𝗟𝗠skincare line, and right now my skin feels like a little bit like a peppermint patty was on it, but it definitely feels clean. And when I used like a little bit of the toner after I got finished doing the cleanser, I didn't have a whole bunch of makeup and stuff on my face or anything either. So I'm excited about it, especially with the under eye cream, because over these dark circles under my eye, and I'm gonna wear less makeup. So I'm going to literally use these items morning and evening for the next 14 days. Follow me on my journey.